Hi, my name is Bill, and today I'm going to be showing you how to replace a rear panel support on your washer. The reason why you might have to do this is because the support is damaged, broken, or missing. For this repair, we'll be using a 1/4-inch nut driver, a Phillips head screwdriver, a flathead screwdriver, a pair of needle nose pliers. Warning: before doing any repairs, please disconnect your power source. So this is the washer we'll be using in this demonstration. It's an Amana, and yours might be a little bit different than what we've got here, but the same technique should still apply. We're going to have to turn our washer around. So in order to get the control console off, we're going to have to undo 4 screws. We've got these 2 screws up here, and then 2 screws that are inside right there. We'll start with our 1/4-inch nut driver, and we're going to remove this screw here. Now I'm going to use a Phillips head screwdriver to remove the other 2 screws. There we go. And these screws actually don't come out of there. They kind of just stay right there. Now that those screws are out, what we can do is push our console forward and just lean it down now. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to unplug the timer here. So I'm going to use a flathead screwdriver to lift up on this tab, and then I'm just going to pull out. And we're going to unplug the cords here. And we're going to put the screwdriver underneath this and unplug these wires as well. That'll give us a little bit more slack to work with. Now I'll use a 1/4-inch nut driver, and I'm going to take the grounding screw out. And we'll just move the grounding wire off to the side, and then I'll put the grounding screw back in just a little bit, not all the way down, so that holds it in place. Now I'll unplug the rest of these wires up here. This one's got a clip on one side, so we're just going to pull that up like that. There we go. Now we can just move the control console up a bit so it's out of our way. Now I'll take the needle nose pliers, and I'm just going to squeeze in on this locking tab right here, and we're going to just pull this out. There we go. Now we're going to unplug the air tube. And we're just going to feed it out of everything. And now we're going to just pull this out from the clip that it's in. And now we can set the console up off to the side a bit better. So the last thing I'm going to do is I'm going to unclip these wires here and unplug them. So now all the wires are undone, and I can take the back panel and move it out, and we'll have some room to work here. So right here in this leg is where our rear panel support is supposed to be. However, we don't have one. So grab your new OEM replacement rear panel support. If you don't have one already, you can find one on our online store. And in order to install it, you're going to just set it right there in that leg. And then once we close the panel up, it'll go nice and easily right through that hole right there. So you can see right here that our rear panel support pops right through that hole. And if you want to secure it in place, you can just twist it, and that'll secure the support in place, and it shouldn't fall out on you. So now we're going to feed the air pressure hose back down through this little clip right here. So now we'll plug in our lid switch, and we'll just work our way over with all the wires. We'll plug in everything. There we go. Now we're going to put our console back into place, and we're going to slide top over the metal here, just like that. And you're going to want to make sure that the straps are on the outside so you can screw them back in. As you do this, you're also going to want to make sure that the clips on the bottom of the console are inside the bottom holes right here. Now we can screw everything back in. There we go. And once you've got those screwed in, you can turn everything back around, plug it back in, and your repair is complete. Finally, don't forget to plug in your appliance. If you need to replace any parts for your appliances, you can find an OEM replacement part on our website, PCApplianceRepair.com. Thanks for watching, and please don't forget to like, comment, and share our video. Also, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Your support helps us make more videos just like these for you to watch for free.